Hi, this is Wisva and sales from Wisva Lighting. Welcome to the birth of Wisva Lighting in 2041 GILE. Today, I'm gonna show you around in our bus, general layout, the design, the display areas. Okay, follow me. Let me give you some details. And generally, there are three parts in our booth this year. Two parts for product area. I'm standing in the products area. The right hand side is COB strip, and the left hand side is SMD strips. Okay, in this, we say kind of, like a box. I'm standing in front of a mirror wall. In this wall, you can easily see the great comparison between the lighting effect between COB and SMD. COB, is very, very, advantages over the lighting, the linear lighting performance, smooth, darkness, spotless. And this is the regular SMD. You can see not speckles. That's a great one. Okay. My left hand side, is some standards and all this we are listed, and this is videos for our workshops, some process controls that can, stop, and also some video screen class about our laboratory. On this side is two major display boards. This is a game we want to give our visitors and customers visual comparison between the SMD and COB. Again, we just want to strengthen the idea, the concept, the comparison of linear performance, linear effect, and smooth lights, and also, for SMD, if you want to achieve such kind of just similar lighting effect, the cost is gonna, double of that for COB. So by this comparison, COB is quite more cost effective. And this one, we majorly display some series of COBs. We have the IC1, and the typical lens is 10 meters available. And for the mini cut, every page is 7.58 millimeters. Some hot seals and regulars series for project contractors. And ultra slim. Now we have 3 millimeters available. That's quite slim. Very, very slim and attractive for lots of visitors because by application of such slim strips, they can meet all challenging application for specification requirements. And we have also some low voltage such as 3V, 5V for the USB connection available, and also the COB CCP and the COB RGB, colorful RGB. So this is some easy introduction about our COB display. This part is for the SMD. This is where Wisva has been built for years. We started our business from manufacture of SMD. And let me explain one by one. This board is for the waterproof methods. Typically, we provide from IP54 to IP68, and the material covers about PU glue, silicone glue, and for 65 we have tubes, sleeves, For IP6 file, we strongly recommend heat shrink tube. It just nearly doesn't add up any extra size around the strips. Very thin, tube, and with very good ability to for the yellow change, problem. Okay, and this is the typical, option for IP67, IP68, 68 on the silicon, the integrated silicon, and also the hollow one. And this is the most beautiful one, the most colorful one, the digital and RGB. For the digital, for magic strips, we have option for 5 VDC, 12 VDC, and also 24 VDC. Majorly, the LED is based on 50-50, but we have also other options. They just display all our options on this board. And for the RGB, typically we have 4 major options: 50-50 and 40-40, and also the most regular 28-35, based on different quantities of LED per meters. And the dew white, changeable and tunable white, we have CCD 2-in-1 based on 28-35 and also 35-28. And the color temperature regularly ranging from 2700K to 6500K. And for the RGB-W and RGB-CCP, we have majorly displayed 4 options right here in this booth. We have the 4-in-1 and the 5-in-1, and also the 3+2 separate design for both 50-50. A lot of and also the 2-year application, the app is available. So in this year GILE, lots of our visitors and customers, do the e-commerce, trees, that kind of business scope. They are very, very interested and curious about whether our products are applicable to the exercise of 2-year APP. So we cover all the existing modern application in our industry. We have 2 options. The upper one is for the regular one. The design is based on 8 LEDs per cut, and typically the efficiency ranges from 90 filming per watt to 130 filming per watt. It's very bright. And also we have the 6,000 lumen per meter options for the project contractors. And this is the most typical one. And typically efficiency is 160 lumen per watt. And also for sure for this one we have other design even can reach higher, given the limited space, we only cover the most regular one. For the higher lumen option, just we can do whatever based on customer requirement. 200, 220 lumen per watt, all available. And the last one is for the new ERP. That's going to be applied from 1st September this year. And we display on this board 4 that already are meeting the new ERP, 1 COB and 3 28 35 options. The typical one. For more information, you can visit our official website, send us email, and we will share more information about our new update list for meeting the ERP requirement. And this part is the last part in our course. It's some testing equipment in our laboratory. This first one is for that shape. Just a simulation, for sure. It's we will use some exaggeration for the shaping. In the final application, we will never, treat our scripts like this in this rude, manner. But before we set out our scripts, we do the test like this, just for guarantee the reliability or quality. And this one is a twist test. After this test, we will normally check the physical appearance for the phosphor blue onto the surface of the strip to see whether there are some failure, and also we will check there are some failure in the lighting in the chips or not. And then we will connect with power, use the integrated sphere to measure some optical parameters to see whether there are some negative changes. That's that's why we do such kind of tests. And these are also two testing machines in our laboratory. This one is for the strength of the connection, for the bearing, for the soldering, and this is for the drilling testing, for testing the strength of the surface of the LEDs. Use this one to drill the surface, and then it will give us a value to see it meets the specs or not. So this is so much for our goals in 2021. It's a pity that for all our customers overseas cannot visit us this year because of the COVID-19. But that's why we take this video and to share with our foreign customers resources all over the world. Okay, thanks so much. Thank you for your time for watching this video. If you want to know more information, please drop us an email and we will share more with you. Okay, bye.